We are deeply honored for the presence of Muhammad Hasnain, the youngest star whose groundbreaking work has pushed the boundaries of what is possible and has inspired the new generation. So let's give a warm welcome to Muhammad Hasnain to share his views and sentiments with us.
A huge round of applause for Muhammad Hussein.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आवाज नहीं आई? अस्सलाम वालेकुम। I hope you all are doing well and you all are doing great. I hope you guys know whom I am. Do you guys know who I am? نن مې ډېر تعریفونه وشول خو چې چاته نه ده پته. I am Muhammad Hasnain. I am just a humble student of Sir Hamid Ala. ستاسو یو ډېر ښه استاد دی او زما هم استاد دی او ما ترې نه ډېر څه زده کړي دي. ورسره چې دی نن زه حاضر شوی یم دلته موږ سره کافي مشران دي خو ما یو خپل یو ایفرټ کړی دی او خپل یو کتاب مې لیکلی نو نن د هغې په سیلیبریشن کې موږ ټول رایوځای شوي یو and I believe this is a great opportunity to talk about a few things. This book is not just about me. This book is not just about my learning. This book's purpose is for everybody. All of you guys who are here right now, this book is for all of you and to serve a purpose in your life. When you are reading this book, I hope you learn something, and that is about the process of education and of never-ending learning. Learning is something that is continuous. Until your last breath, do you stop learning? Never. There is a difference between education and between learning. Do you know what the difference is? Education सिर्फ और सिर्फ देते हुए چې ته स्कूल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी ته لاړ شې خو learning زده کړه یو عمر سره it's not dependent upon that. زده کړه مونږ خپل اخیرنۍ ساه پورې کوو او مونږ مسلسل زده کړه کوو او دا یو واحد شی دی مختلف خلک چې کوم زمونږ نه اکثر as a child یو ماشوم په طور باندې زه مختلف خلکو سره ملو شم چې کوم ما نه مشراني هغوی وایي چې مونږ له راځي خو دا کانسپټ ما ډېر کله کله تنګ کي زه هم چې تاسو له درځي خو څنګه ځکه مین پوینټ دا دی چې ژوند کې دننه وي کین نیور نو آل آف اټ مونږ ته همیشه هر یو شي نشي پته لګېدی we cannot know everything we cannot understand everything and that is all right. Learning is very important. دا دلته چې څونه هم مونږ سره خلک موجود دي ستاسو ټولو لرنینګ ډېر امپورټنټ دی ځکه دا به ستاسو فیوچر جوړوي چې که ما مختلف ټایم پیل او مختلف ډفرنټ ټاپکس او مختلف کارونه ما کړي دي په خپل ژوند کې ورکوټې غونته کې عمر مې دی خو ما هم ډېر عرصه کړي دي نو که دا عرصه ما پاسټ کې نه کولې نن به ما کتاب لیکلی شو نه دا چې دا کم عرصه ما پاسټ کې کړي وو دغه ایکسپیرینسز چې ما جمع کړي که هغه ایکسپیرینسز ما سره نه نن بس ستاسو مخکې ولاړم نه چې تاسو نن یو قدم والی خپل ځان دپاره خپل فیوچر دپاره او یو بهتره دپاره نو سبا به یقینا تاسو په یو ډېر غټ مقام باندې your today determines your future and your past determines your present and you have to understand the gravity of this situation. Learning is a never-ending process and never believe that you can ever stop learning. And to all the youngsters, to all the children, to all the youth that are with us here right now, learning goes beyond and learning is such an amazing process. You always learn and it's just not about education system. Education system, yes, it gives you skills, it gives you speaking, it gives you writing, it gives you all these skills. But learning is something that allows you to build cognitive skills, allows you to build communication skills, allows you to build all of these things. And remember, you may not use education in your life, but learning will always come in handy. Learn new skills, learn new languages, learn new things. Because remember, these are some things that will never weigh you down. یو نوی شي چې تاسو زده کوئ که هغه زبان وي که هغه سکل وي هغه به تاسو کله هم تنګوي یې نه هغه به تاسو خرابوي یې نه هغه به همیشه ستاسو په فایدې کې راځي. When the time calls for it, you'll be able to use it and you will be in benefit because of it. The same goes for many skills. May it be English language, may it be communication skills, may it be any other form of skills. Nowadays, the biggest need for skill, and especially in any form of job, any form of work that you're doing, is communication skills. Improve that. If you're a businessman, if you're a salesperson, if you're a doctor, whomever you are, you need to have a control, you need to have a nice amount of communication skills. And I am very much proud that my book serves a purpose in teaching English, my book serves a purpose in helping you understand English, but most importantly, Sir Hamid right here, he was the one that allowed me to be able to speak here, to earn these communication skills. You guys are blessed by Sir Hamid that he brought you such good opportunities. A few years from now, 4 or 5 years, there was no such concept. But now, there are so many new different skills, there are so many new different things that you can learn. And all of these combine to create a different person. All of these combine to turn you into somebody better. And for that reason, I believe this is the perfect opportunity for all the students here. ما ته پته ده تاسو دلته انجوایمنٹ لراغلی خو زما خبرې سیریس واله او که تاسو دا خبرې سیریس واله او زده کړه وکړئ نو یقینا تاسو کمیونیکیشن سکلز انګلیش لینګویج سکلز آئی ټي سکلز او داسې مختلف اور سکلز چې کوم تاسو سر حامد نه زده کولی شئ د دې سره به ستاسو فیوچر سیکیوري او د دې سره به ستاسو لرنینګ کله هم نه ودرېږي او تاسو به بهتر انسان جوړوئ. زه به یو بله خبره وکړم دلته کې چې زموږ څونه هم ینګسټرز دي. We all have a passion of doing things what we love, but we never are able to pursue those careers. زمونږ همیشه مشران وایي چې په دې کار کې سکوپ نشته. There is no scope in this work. There is no earning in this job. And this is a very wrong concept in my perception. If you go after scope, if you go after earning, if you go after these things, you'll never be able to achieve success, because success has to do with passion. And passion is what matters. If you are not passionate about what you are doing, you may do it for today and you may earn a lot of money, but in the future, even if you are successful, if you all are able to earn a lot, you'll still not be happy. No, कि अगर आप लोग अपने पैशन को परस्यू करेंगे, अगर आप लोग अमीर ना बने, अगर स्कोप ना हुआ काम के अंदर, फिर भी you guys will all be happy, and that is what matters. خپل passion, خپل یو داسې سکل چې کوم ستاسو خوښي هغه سکل راونیسئ او پرفیکټ کړئ هغه سکل او داسې مختلف نور سکلز هم زده کړئ. That is all. Thank you so much.